Hey guys, welcome to my SCP Containment Breach video, this time especially featuring Nathan. Bro, why can't... How'd you do these? How? I don't know how these work. Right, yeah, so we're gonna get into the game now. I've got a little skit at the beginning. Let's just go. If you are wondering why I'm a bit more further ahead than last time, because I've got a lot more stuff now, then go follow my Twitch at twitch.tv/theendgamer. It'll be in the description, and I'll be streaming SCP Containment Breach every Wednesdays and Saturdays at 12:30, like 2 hours or something. Yeah, so go follow my Twitch after this video, obviously. And if you're not, subscribe to the channel, because we do a lot of SCP videos now. Just started this game, and yeah, I'll try to skip till if I actually get far to like a new area, because we run around in circles for about 50 minutes in the live stream. So yeah, I'll cut the video till we actually get to the next bit. I'm just gonna keep going till I go find a door that's not been opened yet. Ah! Oh! That made me jump. I'll replay that then. Yeah. Oh my god. I can't. Oh, we found something new. Let's explore this area then, because I think this is new. Clearance. I don't know about the black hole. I might have just found something. Okay. Drinks. I'm going to continue that thing I was doing. Trying to do this. Trying to go to a different room by crossing these. Wait. Hold on. What are these? Right, that one has blood. Why there is a blood stain in the... Is there any key details? Right, the rooms... Oh! Boys, we have a lift. We have a lift. There we go, we actually have some... This is where nine something the red dog, isn't it? This is where the red dog is. Hey, we're actually doing something new now. I can't. Where? Where's 096? There he is. I'm being cornered. I'm being attacked by two.
And you need to come on down to the cellar. I got a whole freezer.
Let's go into his world.
Popsicles.
Come on. I won't be able to escape his world, maybe, because there's no chance I'm going to survive that. Oh yeah, we have the things. I think we're just going to have to look at it, aren't we? Just going to have to try. I'm not even going to look. I'm just going to go through. One, right there, right there. Look how close we are. Oh my god, did we do it? I think we did it. Oh, we're in a new area. Oh I've just saved. I'm in his containment. Why am I bleeding? How do I stop my bleeding? Okay, I think I've just messed up because I just saved. There's two doors. Don't know why I'm bleeding though. I think my bleeding has stopped. Okay, that is where we're gonna leave today's episode. I know it wasn't too good, but I need you guys to tell me in the comments what to do here, because I have no clue what to do. And then tomorrow I should be uploading another SCP video. Hopefully you guys actually comment and tell me what to do. Alright. Remember, follow me at twitch.tv/theendgamer. Subscribe to my channel. Like video, put notification bell on that. Alright, and I'll see you tomorrow.